we are going to be playing Vending Machine Loop only. You probably heard of this challenge. We're only using vending machines. And I feel like this is a good time because vending machines are fun and they give you decent loot. You have a chance of getting purple and gold. So let's go ahead and see vending machines, or weaponomatics, which we need by our friend here, Google. So if you haven't know, you can go to Fortnite.gg, and what you can do here is you can go to spawns, and we have to look for weaponomatic, and right here. So let's go to Misty Woods, or which one are we closest to? So so right now we're over at, what's the name again? Coral Castle. So let's see, we're near Coral Castle. The best bet is right here. And we're gonna be going right there, like somewhere around there. So let's check the exact spot. Okay, so there's one weaponomatic here, one weaponomatic here. So let's go ahead and check that out. And hopefully today we can get a win, which I am always hoping for. And yeah, this is going to be a lot of fun. Doing challenges are my favorite, especially in Fortnite, because it's getting competitive and fun. I can tell that. So, today, just already 82 people left. Alright. So let's go to play here. Weaponomatic. I can't, like, you're kidding me, sniper. I just like to use that all. What? Don't tell me it's a railgun. I don't have any more. I have to get this vending machine. And also, if you could please drop this up because I'm using a lot of gold on this. Normally, I don't use SMGs. I would be real great with that shot. But, that guy just hit it right in my face. They're everywhere. I can only get heals from other players and ammo. Oh, we need to find more vending machine. Okay, so we're over. So right now we're right here. We need to look to the next Believer Beach. We gotta. Wait, what? Okay, we definitely have to go to Believer Beach right now. Because I want better loot. We need a shotgun. We need a shotty right now. I can not survive without a shotgun. No, clean the car. This is one focus. Why are there just these things sitting around up here? There's something wrong with that car. Okay, let's go. Here. Okay. Well, vending machine I'm off to a good start. 0 kills so far, but 2 IO guard kills. Man, I really like chapter 2 for the ghost event. I think that's the season. The ghost event is really cool, I'm not gonna lie. Right, we're specifically there's not like 10 people just gonna pop out of nowhere. Let's just go ahead and double check. Over to the right side. Oh, I like this car. Oh, there's people. Really? I'm just trying to do a challenge right now, buddy. I do not want to fight anyone. Okay, where's the vending machine? Oh, here it is. Oh, I don't really like these alien stuff. Oh, I'm actually trick-shotting that thing. If this isn't shotgun, then that's not good, because it's a pistol. I'm not even gonna bother buying anything. It's 25 for a pistol, that's too expensive. Oh, launchpad. Alright, let's check the next closest one. I don't want to get shot right now. Pleasant. Oh, you're kidding me. Somebody really gotta do that. I'm just trying to, like, go by in peace, bro. Like, chill, buddy. Brother, chill. Oh, we have to get there fast. We can survive in the storm. We have 10 bandages. Yeah, we have 10 bandages. Oh, we only have 3 builds, but we have 1 Oh, that guy's probably wondering what I'm doing during the storm. The fact that that guy attacked me hard. He hit me super hard, so that's bad. I don't want to stop by getting some of that. Oh, he didn't pop any of my tires, that's good. Okay, I think I know where it is already. I think I know where the vending machine is. I used to use this vending machine. Another sniper one? Seriously? Next vending machine. Or is somebody down here? How did I miss that? Galactic tracker. Alright, let's check this out. Okay, Pleasant Park. The next one is Risky Wheels. We're gonna go. We gotta go now. Launchpad it is. Alright. I don't even. Oh, that AI had a lot of. That AI had a lot of meds. I heard a shotgun. Doesn't get odd. That was like an inch away. You're kidding. Bro, I don't have time to fight right now. I'm sorry. I don't have time to fight, but I need to get going. Grab this weapon-o-matic and go. Where is it? Come on, buddy. It said it's a weapon-o-matic, not a heal-o-matic, whatever it's called. Alright, let's check next nearest spot. Corny complex. That's in circle. That's actually on the way to circle. So yeah. Okay, I just had some really bad luck with that. If that were to actually just have the thing I need, that'd be amazing. But no, it just didn't. Oh, I know where the weapon-o-matic is. I used to go here all the time. Nah. I can't use that. I'm just gonna use it. Nobody eliminated. What's with Oh, I had some really bad luck. Ah! Make that 3 IO kills. Great. Somebody heard me, you know, there are 3 more IOs coming for me. Okay, so let's act like... what am I doing? What am I doing? No, buddy, please don't. Please don't. Please don't abduct me, buddy. This is really not a good time to be abducted. Fine, buddy, you asked for it. Yo, I can't team, bro. I can't team. I don't want to get banned. No! Shall not eliminate my friend. Yo, Pokemon, where you at? No! Bro, I don't want you to die. Oh, brother. I messed up myself. So if my friend wants something, he's going to get it. Wait, what's it? Oh, that was a different one. Well, I guess I chased the rest. Let's see. I'm gonna add this other guy. He was being nice. The other Pokemon. Let's make sure he doesn't die. If anybody dies, yes. Oh, he knows I got him. They'll just eliminate this guy and I'll just eliminate this guy and also be spectating you. Wait, next player. I can switch players. Let's switch to the Pokemon. No, not this person. Not these sweats. No, I don't want any of these sweats. No, no sweats. No sweats. No sweats. Where's the Pokemon? I think he died. That's a Dizzy skin, Siren skin. Wait, I think he died. No. Well, that sucks, but that'll end it off on this video. I'll see you later, and bye.